How to download the Hilton Honors app on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device. Here, search Hilton Honors. After you've searched Hilton Honors, you'll find Hilton Honors Book. Here, you'll find Install option. Simply click on Install. After you've installed the app, press on Open, as you will find this kind of screen pop up. After you've clicked on Open, in here you can simply add your login credentials and log into your account. After you do that, you're good to go. If you don't have an account, you can create one as well. This is how to download the Hilton Honors app on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.